Did you know an entire city once discovered they were connected to an ancient evil through their kitchen knives? In the frozen city of Frostholt, blacksmith Gareth woke to find his hammer weeping crimson drops that burned straight through stone. As midnight struck, every piece of iron began bleeding in perfect unison. Swords, nails, armor, even cooking pots dripped warm blood that pulsed like a heartbeat. At first, people thought it was just strange rust, until the blood began forming ancient runes on every surface it touched. Then someone made a terrible discovery. When you touched the blood, visions flooded your mind, an armored figure stirring in deep chambers far below the city. Each drop of blood marked another crack in his ancient prison. The iron wasn't just bleeding, it was responding to something's awakening heartbeat. Every nail, every blade, every tool had become an extension of this malevolent consciousness. By dawn, the bleeding stopped, but the runes remained. They wouldn't wash away, marking Frosthold as the domain of the encased night.